The goal with this activity is to work the lats. It's also a useful move for starting to introduce a little bit of internal rotation, just from a more externally rotated starting point in the leg. Here's what you're going to do. Get a ramp. If you've got a really high arch that doesn't move all that well, I would also put a small plate under the heel. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep your foot flat on the ramp. Think about keeping your weight on the inner heel and the base of the big toe. And you're going to shift your weight back like this. So you're in more of a negative shin angle at the start. From here, go just a little bit forward like that, not just the knee. Shift the whole body. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to hold this position, take a silent inhale. On the exhale, pull your elbow to your hip, shoulder blade back, reach towards the top of the column, rinse and repeat. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.